Number 999
and pascal.
Yep, and we're going to be doing cooking video again. This time we're going to make a
Hot dog.
special hot dog decoration.
And it's really going to be hot because we're going to be using
Frank's Red Hot sauce, cheese, maybe a bit of relish, or gourmet, whatever, dill relish. And then we're going to have some
ketchup.
Ketchup, yeah, ketchup.
But you can put any topping you want.
Yeah. Oh, we need some stuff to go with it, though. Like some stuff that can stick out of it.
No, I'm good. Here, we gotta grab a knife.
Oh, I'm using these toothpick things to make mine colorful.
Alright, so we're just gonna cut it open.
Cut it open. Yes, I need that too. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Wait, don't waste water. Just use mine and
Nah, I'll use it too.
And then you just try to open up.
Basically like this. I'm gonna add mine to make it look decorated. Mine's a puppy.
So we're just gonna put this is tiny.
I'm gonna see if there's any more ingredients that we can use. Nope. Deli mustard, radish. All good things. All good things.
That's gonna be good.
Don't be.
And then we grabbed some crackles.
Well, first I need to put my hot sauce in. Oh, I broke the cap. Oops.
We already broke it.
Oh. I'm not a thief. Shit, I got it outside the hot dog.
Me too, just scoop it off. And we're just gonna add some cheese.
Son of a. I'm just gonna rip the cap off. There. Now I can see where I'm putting my hot sauce. There. Then we're gonna put some cheese. Ew, this cheese is moldy. Ew. Okay, I gotta get another cheese. Let's try this piece of cheese. Oh, this piece of cheese is fresh.
Did you grab it out of the new pack?
Yep. That old piece of cheese was gross.
And then we're just gonna pop it in the microwave because we're not liking pizza.
Which I think is bullcrap.
Because us kids can use stoves these days. And then we're just gonna wait a few seconds till it melts.
That beats me. Oh, maybe I can add something else. Maybe a little something something. Maybe
put 2.
my special hot dog. You're not finished. Is it done cooking?
American colors.
Hey, mine's American. Oh, American.
Here, it needs to.
How dare you? It's supposed to be Canadian.
But America is a great country too.
I know, but seriously,
It has Barack Obama as president. So it has to be a good country.
yeah, good point. Good point.
But that doesn't mean Stephen Harper's not a bad person. go. Now we have a simple, great meal.
There, mine's done. I added a little something something to my mix.
Ho 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 ho! Yeah. So while we enjoy our snacks,
Our delicious, yummy tasting hot
we
dogs.
will let you make your own snacks.